In one of my previous video, I told you habits of successful people. In this video, I am going to discuss the traits of successful people. All these successful people, all these highly effective people have some kind of values, some kind of principles, some kind of traits in them. And what are these traits? That is what we are going to discuss in this video. So stay tuned, grab your notepad because we are already started. By the way, if you are meeting first time, I am Manav and welcome to Prior Self. On this channel, we talk about all the tools that help us enhance our productivity and achieve our peak performance. If you are interested in learning more, consider subscribing. In this video, I am going to discuss 5 traits of successful people. So let's talk about each and every trait one by one. First value that these successful people have in them is creativity. These successful people never run out of ideas, and in order to be successful you need to create something new, because normal basic things have already been discovered, already been made. If you are not able to think out of the box, if you are not able to bring something new to this world, if you are not able to try something new, you are not able to experiment with something else, you are not going to be successful. You need to start thinking out of the box. You need to be unique. You need to be who you are. Being creative is one of the most important skills that you need to have in you. Second trait that these successful people shows is grit, or you can say self-control. You might have seen normal people going out to party, waking up late in the morning, staying up late at night because they don't care what is going on in their life. But these successful people, they know that each and every minute of my life is important to me. If I wake up early, I am more productive. If I wake up early, I am on the top. If you give up control easily, if you give up self-discipline easily, chances of being successful are a lot less. You need to be self-aware, you need to control yourself, you need to control all these temptations and desire. Third character trait is positivity. Wherever these successful people go, they shower positivity, they shower positive attitude. If you talk to a successful people, you are going to feel positive inside you as well, and really excited to do everything to improve themselves. You need to have this positive attitude as well. Don't focus on the big loss, start focusing on the little achievements. Start focusing on those things you are grateful for. More you find positivity in each and everything, more you are going to feel positive, more you are going to emit positivity. Fourth character trait that these successful people shows is drive. They are always hungry to learn something more. They are always excited to take new responsibility. They are always ready to improve themselves. And this is because they want to be the best in the field. They want to achieve their peak performance. So they have this kind of hunger inside them, this kind of burning desire inside them. As Joseph Wertling said, burning desire is the basis of achieving anything beyond the ordinary. Fifth and the final trait that these successful people have is communication. They really know how to act in these awkward situations. They really know how to handle difficult situations. They are not going to shy out from opportunities. They will get every opportunity to interact with different people, to learn from different people. Start learning about communication skills. Start learning about different words that is going to make conversations look more professional, because the more interaction you have means more people will know you, and the more people you know, the more people will help you in achieving what you want, will help you giving advice, and the more advice you take, the more successful you are going to be. Start focusing on all of these 5 traits. And that's it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you let me know by liking this video. Also, if you want to learn about more motivational content, if you want to learn about more productivity hacks, start your journey right now by subscribing to this channel. Also, make sure to check out my other videos, share this video with your friends and family, and I will see you in another video another time very soon. Until then, bye bye. Peace out.